Eto na. The Power of Pinoy Henyo. Tatlong pares na naman ang susubok sa hamon ng pagkahenyo.
At syempre, para makumpleto ang araw natin, narito ang magandang stewardess Saida!
Oy!
Ayan, oh. Oop! At syempre pa, kakain agad ang mga pasahero ng...
Hello, sir. I prepared a dish that will keep you young.
Keep us
Yes.
young.
It's
What's that?
Yang, ha?
chicharon.
Wow! In English?
In English, pork rind.
Pork
and
rind.
you know what, sir? Chicharon is very popular in Spain. But here in the Philippines, it's usually eaten with vinegar or pickled papaya. And you know what's pickled papaya in Tagalog?
What?
It's achara.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Since when?
No. What is achara in English?
Pickled papaya, sir.
No,
No.
it's spoon. Spoon.
Yeah.
Un
The partner of pork.
kutsara.
Achara at inidor.
Partner of fork.
Inidor, yeah.
Pork. So, that's pork, di ba?
Yeah.
That's why achara is the terno, because achara and pork. Okay.
But it's, smells fishy.
Yeah.
Huh?
It's not the chicharon.
Ah, it's the teacher.
Okay.
Oh, it's you. You smell fishy. That's
It's
very
clean.
good.
Is it clean?
Clean?
It's clean. I washed it.
You washed it.
Okay, very good.
Thank you. Achara
Always
and
wash.
pork.